Hi everyone, in this video I'm gonna share how I DIY a simple flight stand for my figures. It's just my way of trying things out, so hopefully it can help you some ideas too. So the other day I went to S Hardware at the mall to look for some wire. There are plenty of choices, but I picked this one, plastic coated steel wire, 18 gauge. I chose it because the plastic coating wouldn't scratch the figure. Okay, let's start. First step, I will make a small curve at the top of the wire, just like this. Then I roll it around the can to make the base into the nice circle. After that, I twist the wire toward the center. For the extra wire sticking out, I just used a plier to tighten and finish it off. Next step, I bend the wire into 90 degrees like this. The height I made is around 4 inches, so I just cut at this point. And here we go, that's the flight stand I made. So now I can insert the wire into the joint at the back of the figure, and just like this, the figure looks like it's flying. Here is another figure using the same stand, also floating nicely. One thing I noticed, the 18 gauge wire is a bit thin for holding some figures. If you want something stronger, go for lower gauge number, like 14 gauge, which is thicker and sturdier. To make mine stronger, I double the wire at the bottom of the stand for extra support. And yeah, that's how I DIY this flight stand. Quite fun to try even though still learning. I know it's not perfect, but at least now my figures can pose better. If you enjoy this kind of simple DIY sharing, don't forget to like, drop a comment with your own tips, and subscribe so we can learn together. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.